This is an illustration first discussing the shared gallery that you have downloaded via my invitation from email earlier today and the other day. One thing to remember, here I am in Apple Photos. When you're in a shared gallery, and there were two of them I shared with you, remember the bowl we worked with today? Well, when you did a right click, you can, or I am the owner, I can delete it from the shared album and I can import it, but I already have it in my library, but that's what you would do. So there's nothing you can do to this album except import the information and import the photo and get information about the photo, such as what if this has a GPS on, you would see where it was taken. There's nothing you can do here. You can't change anything. It's read only. Very common thing when you share information. So it's read only. So we got that out of the way. Now, why did I mention that? Well, our next topic is talking about a photo and grabbing the subject of that photo. So obviously this would be the subject, this would be the subject, maybe this would be. So let's go look at some of my photos. We're going to collapse this and we'll open up my albums. And we have some murals and we have a lot of murals from around the country I've taken. But let's go to maybe, let's see, we'll go to some people. So we'll go to a particular album. I have family photos. Notice how I have these organized by year. Yes, it's a lot of organization. It does take time, but it can be worth it. Now, there I am. What a great picture of me buying a flannel shirt at JCPenney. I wasn't drinking, I swear. I pretty much stopped drinking. But here it is. That's the subject of the photo here. So what am I going to do? We did this in class. It tells you where it is, the date, New Year's Day. Not much of a life, is it? I went to JCPenney on New Year's Day, and I point to the picture. We did this in class. We did a right click, copy subject. There it is. What happened? Well, if we go to pages like we did before, and I happen to have this still open from before, the earlier video, I can just paste it. Command V. There I am, just like that. It's just like removing the background, but I copied the subject. So in our earlier video, we went to preview. We used the option tools to remove the background. We copied, we pasted. In this case, we did everything right from the photo library. So let's see, we've got another more pictures here. There you go. There's little Sparky. Double tap to open it up. Right click, copy subject. There he is. Let's go to pages. Let's do Command V. There he is. It's that simple, folks. Apple Photos makes everything so easy because it all works together. The word processing app is Pages. The photo app is called Photos. The movie app is called Movie. Pretty clever, huh? Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at the next one.